Hi, this is Ken English. It's a difficult time for a lot of people coming off of the Christmas holidays and leading into a new year. A new year that we tend to look at from a calendar perspective that says this is the time where you start over. But it's dedicated to Ray Pelletier Sr. Ray was a friend of mine who died in May of 2007. Each year at this time I tend to think about him probably more than the rest of the year because today, January 1st, every day was January 1st. And once I got that mindset of thinking, well, the calendar year is not the beginning. It can be the official beginning, but for each of us, every day it begins a new year. I started to recognize that that was a very powerful and a very profound approach to things. We have an opportunity to start over, to leave the failures behind. He used to say that each day or yesterday was December 31st. Well, that is what we're coming up toward, December 31st. We party into the new year. We make resolutions. We expect different things to happen, but we probably do the same thing. Well, if you go into February or March and you fail at that point and you just figure it's over until the next January 1st, you've got a very rough year. But if your year begins immediately, if you wake up the next morning, then you've got a good opportunity to right the wrongs and start on over again.